water bottle. Here's a table. What do you think we're going to be doing today?
Bottle flipping?
Exactly. So, oh, I'm acting like I'm drunk. Drunk bottle flipping. That's exactly what this video is going to be called. Drunk bottle flipping. No! No, so you're getting this?
Yeah.
No! You're going to hear a lot of no's in this video. Oh! Oh, that...
Oh!
No, that wasn't...
Oh!
It doesn't count because it was like that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. No! That wasn't... I didn't even do that properly. No! No! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Ah! Ah! Get
Yes! 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 Okay, guys.
Don't you get see that?
Oh, okay. Oh my. Guys, that was mental. Oh, that was sick. Okay. Come on.
Oh.
No!
Oh.
No! My brother's copying me. Stop it! You're the worst cameraman in the world. Oh. It's like if you turn it, if you're like this, then it looked like it landed. No! No! Oh, sorry, I'm sorry, Leah. No. Yes! Yes! Yes!
This is what you see right now, guys.
Yes! Woo! You think I'm overreacting for one bottle flip? For me, bottle flips come really rarely. Okay. Oof.
Clever go.
No? Okay. Here. I'll swap you for the camera.
Oh, almost.
Lewis, that was just an oof moment. An oof-star moment.
No. One sec.
Okay.
Sorry. No.
It's okay. Lewis, can I have a go?
When I get one ball flip.
Okay. Okay. I might as well keep the camera here. With bottles and tape. No! Thank you, Leo. Thank you, gingered boy. Okay, Lewis, can I have a go now? This is my video on my account after all. Lewis, I want to go. Let me have a go.
I feel like he got this now.
Oh! 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 Lewis, you done it! Okay, here, hold the camera. Hold the camera. No, imagine if I got that first try. Oof.
But they will. We'll play Roblox one day.
Lewis, we do play Roblox.
Oh,
just
yeah.
not on this channel.
Oh.
Sorry, my brother's just get rid of this beauty, this quality.
Yeah.
Stop it! Oh, is that landing?
No!
Okay, guys, if I get one more bottle flip in this video, you have to just subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. And comment down, I subbed. No.
I got this. I can
No,
make this
no, if I
right?
get another one. Listen, if you get a bottle flip next time I give the bottle to you, then literally I'm gonna murder myself in my sleep. If I can do that, if that's possible. Hey! Don't take the bottle! I know it's a water bottle, but you don't like water. It tastes too plain for you. The aftertaste is just nothing. Oh, if that made it. No!
I got this. So else can get this time. Let's see.
Oh! Almost
Hold
tapped it.
I literally, I can do this. No! Whoa.
Okay,
Yeah.
so. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Ain't cow.
Okay. I'll have the camera.
Okay, I got this. I got this. I made those first try.
Imagine if that made it.
Oh! What? Oh! Oh!
Lucy, you're a bit overreacting. Okay, I'm going to try and get a better view.
Oh!
Guys, I just got to put you down. Sick.
How do I do that second try?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought I was going to take it like long.
Now we get a better view. Also, look outside. Probably can't see much. Hi, Ninja Turtle!
Hello. Okay.
I'm recording a YouTube video for YouTube.
Okay. I'll say cuckoo caca, la la la.
Oh! I'm
Say it again.
I'm so sorry I didn't catch that. No, it's can I have a try?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I'll give you the camera.
Oh my gosh, how am I doing this?
Yes!
Yes!
First try!
Let's
You
go!
have to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. You have to now.
Let's go!
Give it to me. No, not the camera.
No, the camera.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
If that's what you wish.
Okay. Here. Oh, my
Oh,
camera.
what I done is it here, it's spun around.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm telling you. I'll say no. Oh.
No, that's not going to get anywhere. What do you mean almost? It almost hit the table.
Look.
Also, guys, I have made a few TikToks.
Oh, yeah.
So go check them out.
I always. Oh, almost.
Also, the reason we have roses here is because this used to be my mum's room.
Yeah.
And
I
that's
know
ours.
on your mum.
Oof.
Oof. And oof. Oh.
I know I haven't posted on YouTube for so long. It's just that I can't get anything to do. But when we started bottle flipping before I started recording, I was like, you know what?
Yeah,
I'm going to do a bottle flipping video. Oh, we've reached 8 minutes, Lewis.
Oh. Come on, Louis.
Lewis, you're not going to get anywhere.
Come on, Louis. Marble.
Lewis, give him a bottle. Lewis, can I have a try now?
Can I have the camera? Can I have the camera?
No. Maybe when I'll let you record the YouTube video, then you can have the camera.
Okay.
Oh, that was so close. Sure. Get it for him. This is a loud video. I'm gonna put that in the description.
Yeah.
This is a loud video. If you're wearing headphones, rip
Come
you.
on, Louis. You can do it.
See what I mean? This thing right here. And this thing. Don't throw it up there. That works. Just give it to me. Lewis, you're faking. That is.
Okay.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. I'm a a Jedi, so I should be able to. Oh, okay. Come on. Oh. Truth about that video?
I just reversed it.
That doesn't count. It doesn't count because it's leaning forward. Okay, here's the best. Shush. I don't think I'm even gonna post this video now. I think this is too loud for YouTube. With crying babies in the back. I've got. Lewis, I need to go. Tell me when you've both. I just need to say something away from these children.
Oh, guys, you guys subscribe.
No, because you didn't do that.
Okay, we'll do that.
Kiddos, I gotta say something off camera. Well, on camera, but away. So, guys, they're noisy. I think you can agree with that. And if I am posting this video, then, well, if this video is posted, then you know that I just wanted to post this because there was bottle flips involved. I think he done a bottle flip. Okay, get ready for the loudness again. This is just a calm part for your ears. Turn down now. Okay, we're back. I've come to talk with you again. Fine.
Hey.
Really?
Okay, imagine this happened.
No, Lewis, that didn't happen. But I'll tell you what did happen. Hold the camera for me, man. Hold the camera. Oh,
That happened.
yes, that happened. No. Okay, if I do a bottle flip now, you have to unsub. You have to do everything to this video.
Oh,
Yes! Yes!
It doesn't count.
It does, because it was on its side. That doesn't count. I didn't do the bottle flip.